Hi there, this video is about our travel planning and organisation. A few people have asked us how we do it as we travel around Portugal independently, so we thought we'd show you how we travel and how we do our planning. We're currently at a house sit in Alcobaça and we need to travel to Cascais, 145 kilometres away down near Lisbon, so we need to plan our trip. So I've had a look at the railway website for Portugal, and it turns out you can get a train down to Lisbon, but they don't leave from here, they leave from Valado, which is 6 kilometres away. It's a bit inconvenient, so we won't bother doing that. We'll take the bus. And the bus options from Alcobaça, the best one is Rede Expressos, the favourite Portuguese bus company that travels all around the country. This is the Rede Expressos app, so I've put in from Alcobaça to Lisbon, leaving tomorrow, and I'm going to search for that. And that brings up, there's 5 buses available, and they are €12 each. So for us, it's convenient to take the 2 p.m. arriving at 15:50. It's a pretty straightforward way to get the tickets booked. Once you do have, they'll email you a ticket with a QR code on it, which we will then show the bus driver when we board the bus. There's no need to print anything off, so that's pretty convenient for us. From Lisbon, to get to Cascais, the best way is to go by the local train, but we'll be arriving in Sete Rios bus station, so we'll be taking a metro from Sete Rios down to Cais de Sodre, where the trains leave from for Cascais. And when we're travelling tomorrow, we'll talk you through what we do there. We'll use our Viva Viagem card, which is the little card that you use to get around Lisbon. It's really straightforward. You can charge money onto this at a machine, and then you can just zap it and travel on public transport. Pretty convenient, a great way to get across and around Lisbon is with their Viva Viagem card. Let's travel. So this is the Alcobaça bus station. It's more of a bus stop on the side of the road, and a little bit unfortunate when it's hammering with rain because there doesn't seem to be anywhere to shelter, does there, Mandy?
No, there's a slight roof thing up there.
Okay, there's the little ticket office. Maybe we can shelter from the rain here. You'll have the ticket emailed to you with a QR code on it that you can show the driver, or on that app, you've got a QR code there that you can show the driver.
And bus number 42, seat number 8.
Here's our bus, just on time for a 2 o'clock departure. A very nice, comfortable bus. Just 2 other people, me and Mandy. What do you think?
Excellent. We've got seats 7 and 8, so get a great view out the front window.
Perfect, yeah. An hour and 50 minutes.
We'll be in Sete Rios in Lisbon.
And we've got working Wi-Fi, brilliant. Minutes. Nice one. We're here in Sete Rios.
Yay, it's quite a good journey, 2 hours, lovely scenery, excellent female bus driver. It was really good.
Yeah, excellent. And now stage 2, we are off down to Cais de Sodre on the metro system.
Yeah, so we'll walk now to Jardim Zoologico or something or other, the other name for Sete Rios. We've got to top up our Via Viagem cards, and then, yeah, get the metro to, as Lee said, Cais de Sodre.
Metro, subway, this way.
This is actually the second time we've been to Sete Rios train station. The first time we got the train from Setúbal here, but now this time we're actually going to go on the metro, underground.
The calçadas here, the lovely paving on the way.
So we've got our trusty Via Viagem cards, and And so we want a travel card reload. Pop it in here. Touch the screen. English. Reloadable card. Oh, it's expired. Oh my word.
That wasn't in the plan.
No, it so wasn't in the plan.
Oops.
Okay, we'll have to buy a new one. They cost 50 cents each. So it turns out we're going to buy some more cards. 2 more cards with the zapping because it works out more economical. €10 each. And we're going to transfer the balance of 8 cents.
21.
So these are the prices now. It's $1.50 for a normal ticket on the Metro. Zapping, it's $1.35, so saving 15 cents each time. And there's different passes as well. It's a really good system.
So we now have shiny new Viva Viagem cards. Our last ones were a year old and they expire after a year, so it's only 50 cents for a new one. We've put €10 on them, so now we can travel around. We are going on the blue line down to Santa Polonia direction. We're going to get off at Baixa Chiado.
So lovely, so it's not a very deep station.
With the Viva Viagem card, this journey is €1.35. Jardim Zoologico. We will get off at Baixa Chiado and then we've got to get to Cais de Sodre.
So we're not too sure if we're going to walk it or just hop on the green line.
It's supposed to be a 500-metre walk, so it might be just as easy.
This one?
Now go on the green line to Cais de Sodre. Let's not walk.
So I like it, not only do they have different colours, like this is the green line, but there's a different emblem as well. Blue line, it's a seagull. And it's telling us the next metro is in 1 minute and 50 seconds. Pretty good.
Time to sit down then.
Oh wow. Nice. Got a choice of seats on this one.
Plenty of space. Awesome.
Quite like the artwork at this train station. I'm not too sure what they are. They look like, are they rabbits? Really not too sure, which is weird considering we're coming to a train station near the river. Remember to keep your ticket because you need to scan it on the way out. So scan it here. Quickly. I think we're caught up because my bag's so wide. Did you notice how much it cost?
No, it didn't come up. It was just date and the time. So it flashed really slowly, but you've got to go through really quick. Yeah.
Now we're looking for the... Okay, so Autocarros Eléctricos is trams. We want the train. And it's going to be... He thinks it's this way. We've never been in here before. It's quite lovely. Cais de Sodre metro station. So we're heading for Comboios. So after trying to buy a ticket for Cascais, we realised everyone's just tapping the Via Viagem. So Lee's going first. Didn't really say, I'm not too sure what it said. And I'm going to go now. Again, it's quite wide, hope I can get through. Oh, so it looks as though there's one going right now on line 3. I think it's where all the people are going. Have a look.
Yes.
Okay.
Over to go.
Perfect. This is the one for Cascais. Ah, might be your station stop. We can check with someone else. There you can ask someone.
Is the convoy Cascais?
It was all a bit confusing and a bit rushed, but we got on platform 3 at Cais to Sodre, and we're on our way now to Cascais. Quite nice seats. I'm going to try to go on the left hand side because that's where the sea is.
Looks like we're standing though.
Finally arrived at Cascais. The train's all nice and quiet now. Lovely seats, soft and padded.
So this is a commuter train. It stops quite regularly. It takes about 40 minutes to get there, but they leave about every 20 minutes, so it's pretty good. Cascais, the end of the line.
Yay! But we've just learnt from the train announcement it's actually Cascais.
Oh yeah, we need to work on our pronunciation, definitely. And another tip is to sit on the left-hand side of the train, so you're on the riverside and you get to see all the nice beaches and the good views.
Excellent. I'm going to change so I can see how much it cost me. Let's hope it works. Oops, no, couldn't read it. And hopefully that was the last thing I do that today. We're just going to come over now and check our balance and see how much that journey actually cost us. Just going to check now to see how much that trip cost.
683 left, so the journey cost 190. Very good value for money.
Excellent. So now we're heading out. We're ever so excited. We're heading to our very first
work away.
Yay.
And the funny thing is that the owners are away and apparently the manager is sick and so is the helper, so it looks like we are running this youth hostel for a few days until the owners get back. Should be fun. An 18-day work away in Cascais boutique hostel. Really excited about it. So for the last stage, we wanted to talk a little bit about the navigation app that we use to get around. This is maps.me, and it's a little bit like Google Maps, but you can download the maps so you've got them offline and it tells you exactly where you are. And we've put in, we're at the railway station here and we're going to be going to the hostel, so we've put in the destination. It's showing us exactly which way to go. It's an 11-minute walk, 850 meters on the flat, so that's really good, and we can follow our journey quite comfortably. This is how we get around, walking all the way. Cascais looks really pretty. We're going to look forward to showing you this place in the forthcoming week or two.
Definitely. It's so lovely.